How to fix this error in Hytale failed to connect to server authentication unavailable. Please try again later. First, open up your computer search and you want to search for date and time settings. Click on that option. Now make sure both of these are turned on. So set time zone automatically and set time automatically are both turned on. And afterwards, you just want to click on sync now here. So your time and region gets synced. This is gonna matter. Now we can proceed to the second step, which will be opening up our computer search yet again and searching for view network connections. Click on it, right click on Ethernet, then properties. Now right here you wanna select Internet Protocol version 4, properties, then you will select this, use the following DNS server addresses, and you want to type 8888, and here we'll type 8844. Check validate settings upon exit, click on OK. Once you have done this, you should no longer get the issue with this error, failed to connect to server. Hope this helps, leave a like and sub, I'll see you next time.